Hey guys, what's going on there guys? Welcome back to Tech World guys. Today I'm gonna showing you how to make fake subscribers just like this guys. Let's jump into the video. Guys, you see this method is only useful for just to show, to show to your friends that you got it was not the real one guys. You just need to do it. It was really do it to fool April Fool or something. You need to fool your friends. This is the best way to fool your friends guys. You just go, you see 36 subscribers I have now. I'm gonna change it to any number. You just select the 36 subscribers just like this and click right click and click inspect. Yeah, now click inspect. After you then this box will appear guys, and this selected thing will appear. You see, if you go down, it will be like 36. Yeah, I have 36 subscribers, so it was 36 guys. Now double click on the 36 and change that 36 to any number you want, or 5. I'm clicking 5 12 or something. You can click anything, 999 or something you can click. I am clicking 5 12. Okay, and after clicking, click enter, and you see close option right there, up there. Click that button guys, and you will see this. You have now 512 subscribers guys, but this is fake. Yeah, this is fake, this is not real. It will be like 36 subscribers in the Creator Studio, and you guys, and again you can change it again. Let's this time do it 512k or something. Okay, let's do it 512k. Okay, you see, I have now 512k subscribers, guys. This is really very useful to fool your friends just for fun, guys. This after reloading page, it will show go to normal back, and you see 36 subscribers. After reloading, you will see like again you will go back. What subscribers you have really, it will show like that, guys. This is really to show, take a snapshot guys, and show to your friends that you got them and fool them guys. This is a really good method guys, and also it will work for other channels. You see, you can either do it for other channels that they got that many just to fool guys your friend channel, and change your friend channel and show you got, and he will hooray to see his channel guys. It will be very fun guys doing this method guys. You can change it. See guys, I'm changing it to 0 subscriber. It will be very nice guys. It is really a nice method to do fool of your friends. Normally we can do it on the April Fool Day guys. We can do it on April Fool Day, and they will become very fools guys. And guys, if you like this video guys, don't forget to leave a like guys, and if you want to fool your friends guys, don't forget to subscribe. And guys, don't forget to use this method and fool fool your buddies guys. And guys, thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe.